This comes in a sophisticated white color, making it perfect for fine dining restaurants, large supermarkets, offices, or vacation homes. Keeping your food and beverages fresh is now easier than ever because this RCA chest freezer has a front mount adjustable thermostat that helps you in setting your ideal temperature. Whether you want it super cold or super warm, you can adjust the thermostat without the complicated settings and steps. Another thing that makes the RCA chest freezer popular is its size. Measuring at 7 cubic feet, it means that it's spacious enough to fit small, medium, and large sizes of frozen meat, vegetables, and other dairy products. That's why it's perfect for commercial establishments because they'll need all the space they can get. Apart from that, it has deep cooling and quick freezing, so you don't have to worry about your food going off. With the RCA chest freezer, you don't have to worry about complicated defrosting, because it comes with a convenient defrost drain at the bottom. Cleaning it out won't be a chore either, thanks to its easy-to-clean interior liner. And the best part about this appliance is you can organize and segregate your food, as the freezer is equipped with interior baskets. You'll never regret buying this chest freezer, as its energy-saving features is very efficient and can be placed anywhere in your establishment. It's priced at around $209 and will be delivered to you in pristine condition. We've covered the first two items, and although they both look and sound awesome, if you haven't found the right chest freezer for yourself, don't worry, because we still have 3 items left in this video. Before we proceed, don't forget to like this video. Also, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get more informative reviews on various appliances and furniture out there. And now, let's get back to our product list.